Oi oi the tube. Hello the tube. Today we got the EDC camping, hunting folding knife handle, ECD knife gift camping outdoor travel kit. 84p. Wow. Say what? That's mad. Right, let's have a look at the specs. Sorry for shaking. Yeah, I know I need a new laptop. But I know it's cheap. I know you get what you pay for. 84p. Let's get to it. Ow. Basically, I just cut myself. So, it's kind of sharp. Knob. That's what you get for putting it down. A tit. Never mind. Just under 3 inches long. The blade. Just over. Non-locking, sorry. Flip joint or slip joint, whatever you call it. That's the right in it. Dipped my finger on it. So it works, it does the job. Yeah, oh look, there's blood on it. Gilly on the blade. This is kind of sharp, fair play to it. It's a nice little bamboo handle with blood. But you can't fault it, come out for the price. I said it must cost them a little bit more to send it. Well, I got blood everywhere. Oh my god. But yeah, 84p for a cut finger. You can't fault that. For non-locking blade, it will do me fine. It's just a bit tarred over for legal carry, but I wouldn't carry one anyway, to be honest, until the shit hit the fan. Gilly on the blade, like the F1 fighter one I got. Plastic handle. Little tiny bit of play in the blade, but for 84p, what can you expect there? It's a nice knife, Aliexpress. Thank you very much, with the blood. Oh, it's like a time of the month there. Thanks all, cheers for looking.